Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to invest with Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC, search for Chase Bank, open up its official website and make sure you're logged in. There are 7 steps in total that you need to follow in order to invest in Chase Bank. Step 1. Save and invest. Saving and investing are different, but you don't have to make a choice between them. So, see how they work together. Step 2. Get ready to invest. Check out and check off your pre-investing to DOS. Step 3. Create your investment strategy. Identify your investment goals and build a strategy to help you achieve them. Step 4. Understand different types of investments. See how different types of investments work and how they can help you make the most of your money. Step 5. Know investment account types. Being smart about using different account types can help you reach your goal in an efficient way. Step 6. Choose how to invest. You can start by working with a financial advisor, getting invested online or doing a combination of both. Learn the differences of each. Step 7. Stay invested. Staying invested through market ups and downs can help you stay on the track to reach your investment goals. That's how you can invest with Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.